Hi everyone, welcome back to Voxters. In this video, you will learn how to streamline your document signing process by integrating Power Automate with Adobe Sign. We will guide you step by step on how to send documents for e-signature, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. Perfect for business and individuals looking to automate their signature collection process. We are going to focus on these 3 points: how to send documents for e-signature, how to place signature positions in documents, and how we can save signed documents automatically. Okay, yeah. And if you have any Power Platform related queries, you can contact us through our website, email, or phone. Let's get started. So I am inside my SharePoint document library where I have placed a sample NDA file. Let me open this file. It will look like this, and we are going to use this file for sending sending this file for e-signature. Okay, it will look like this. Yeah. Now, second thing, I'm here in my Power Automate, and you can simply navigate to make.powerautomate.com or make.powerapps.com. Click on flows and then click on new flow on automate cloud flows. And what we are going to do, we are going to add here a manual trigger flow. So let me zoom. Okay, so the trigger is going to be manually trigger. Yeah, manual trigger. Okay, now I am going to add an action here. Let me zoom in. Okay, now I am going to add an action, and action is going to be get file content. Okay, and it is going to be from SharePoint, and click on get file content, and site address is going to be our Vox's dev site. File identifier is going to be share documents, and then inside share documents we have Adobe Sign and then NDA docs. Okay, now we are going to add Adobe Sign's first action here. Upload a document DOCU. Okay, let's search for Adobe Sign first, and then see more. Oh, sorry. Click on this one, not on sandbox. Okay, upload a document and get a document ID. Check the action, upload a document and get a document ID. Click on this one. Okay, now we are going to name our file, means like nda.docs. I'm going to name it nda.docs. Okay, file content, and we are going to get it from here. Expression, we are going to get it from get file content. Okay, click on file content. Now the second action is going to be click on add an action, and again search for Adobe Sign. This one, we are not going to use this one, Adobe Acrobat Sign sandbox. We are going to use this one, Adobe Acrobat Sign. Click on see more, and then click on create an engagement create an agreement form, and upload document and send for signature. Yes, this one. So we are going to use this action here. Now what is going to be the agreement name? So I'm going to name it like test NDA. Okay, and document ID. Okay, so click here, document, add a new item and the document ID. Okay, so click on again here and we are going to get it from this action, upload a document and get document ID. This one, click here and then click on add item up. No, we are going to not use this. Okay, now click here, add new item. Okay, now we are going to provide the signees detail, like who is going to sign this document. Okay, so I have already opened my account here. Like I'm going to send document to this account for signature, and it is going to be a signer. Okay, now anything else? No, I don't think. Okay, order is one. That's over. Yeah, save. Let's save it. Okay. Open API. Okay, I'm going to name it send NDA. Click on save. Now let's try it one more time and click on add new item, and I'm going to add here order is 1 and role is going to be signer, and click on add new item. Okay, now I can see the email of the recipients. Right now what I'm going to provide this email again. Click here and now paste it, save it. Okay, it should save now. Okay, now I am going to test it. Click on manual flow, test, and yep, continue and run flow. Now I'm here, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, now I should receive an email again. Okay, now I can see yeah, now I can see the email. Okay, signature. Okay, Voxus request your signature on test NDA. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to review and sign, and then continue and start, and then signature. Okay, I'm going to type my name here, like Voxus, and then apply here and click to sign. Okay, that's it. Now we have sent the document, we have signed the document. Now how we can save the document? Okay, let's save the signed document. For saving the signed document, I'm going to create a new Power Automate flow. Click on again Power Automate, and then we will create a new Power Automate flow. Click on flows and then new automated cloud flows. I'm going to skip this one, and my trigger is going to be Adobe Sign. Okay, and Adobe Sign, see all, and I have trigger like when an agreement is completed, when an agreement workflow is completed successfully. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. And now name, what name we are going to provide it? So we are going to provide it NDA. Okay, so Voxus demo. And scope is going to be any agreement in my account, and or you can choose scope as per your requirement. Now what we need, we are going to add one more action here, and Adobe Sign, will be from Adobe Sign, and it is going to be get a PDF signed agreement. Okay, now we are going to use this one, and agreement ID is coming, will come from here, and agreement ID. Event participate. So I guess this is going to be the ID event, the ID of the user, the ID of the participant for the event, user that create the event. Let's use this one first. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new action and create a file. Okay, and I'm going to use the SharePoint action, and dev folder path is going to be my shared document, and inside shared document I'm going to use Adobe Sign. Okay, share document and then Adobe Sign. Yeah, file name is going to be NDA, and then expression UTC now, so that we can add the date time stamp. Okay, add dot ptf. Okay, and the file content is file content. Okay, get a PDF. Okay, now let's save this one and try it one more time. Okay, save documents. I'm going to rename it to save doc in sp. I'm going to save this one. Now what will happen whenever any document is completed, means any agreement workflow is completed successfully, this flow is going to trigger and it is going to get the file content, means it is going to get the signed document, and we are going to save it here in this folder. Again, I am going to trigger my first Power Automate flow so that we can sign the document again and we can test the process from start. Okay, I'm going to new designer. I'm going to click on test, manual, test, and again test. Done. Now we should receive an email. Empty focus. Okay, we should receive an email. Okay, yep, we have received the email. Signature requested. Click on the email and review and sign. Continue and start. Signature, type your signature, Rockstars, apply and click to sign. Okay, now what will happen once we complete this signature process here, our Power Automate flow, this Power Automate flow will run automatically. Let's see the run history of this Power Automate flow. Okay, it should trigger. Okay, now it failed. Why it failed? Let's see. Okay, get a PDF of a signed agreement. So I guess get a PDF. I guess the ID is not correct for so we entered here wrong agreement ID. That is why we are getting an issue. We are getting an error. Okay, so click on this one and click search here agreement ID. Okay, now we can see the agreement ID here. Now click on save. Let's test it from our last run. Okay, now I'm going to test it automatically and test. Let's see. file should be created in our SharePoint document library. Let's go back here. Okay, refresh. The signed document should be here. Okay, now we can see it. Let's open it. Yeah, we can see it, right? So the signature is here. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Now the third part is, so we have send the signature, send the document for signature. We have save the document. Okay, now what if I don't want this signature here? What if I want signature in front of this party one signature? How can I do that? How can I achieve this functionality? For that, I'll share Adobe Signs blog. Okay, so here is the blog, and you can get all the text tags. So we are going to use this text tag for placing the signature. Okay, now what I'll do, I'm going back to my document and I'm going to open this NDA's document, and I am going to copy the tag and going to place here in front of this party one signature, something like this. Now I'm going to save my document one more time, Control S, and now I'm going to click close. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to first empty my inbox, and again I'm going to send it for signature manually and test, run flow, done. Okay, our flow is running. So let me just explain you this flow also. So this is a manual trigger. It means we can manually trigger this Power Automate flow. Okay, get file content. We are getting the file content, this file's content from our SharePoint document library. Upload a document and get document ID. We are uploading the document and then getting the document ID, and create an agreement from upload and send for signature. Then we are sending the document for signature. Okay, in this flow. That's it. It's simple and a straightforward flow. We should receive an email. Let's refresh it. Inbox. Yeah, so this is here, and click on review and sign. Now let's see where it shows. Okay, now we can see, right? So party one signature. Now we can see the placeholder for signature in front of party one signature. Now click here, type your name, search, apply, and then click to sign. Okay, once it will complete, our document will be here. Okay, let's refresh it couple of times, because once our first Power Automate flow will complete, our second Power Automate flow will trigger, and it will automatically get the file content. It will save the signed documents in our SharePoint document library. Okay, now we can see it a few seconds ago, right? Now click this one and see the location of signature. Now we can see. Okay, so that's how we can place the signature position in Adobe Sign. Yeah, so that's all for this tutorial, guys. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.